teeth.
Hey, Bowers, what's up, man? Not much, I just wanted to check in on you and also to apologize because I was being a dick. I just wanted to just be a man about it and just say I'm sorry. I was being an asshole. Well, I mean, apparently at Pat's, I slapped you or something. I don't know why I slapped you. I was probably trying to like do like a fucking Italian joke thing, like, hey, you're a good kid, you know, like Italians, like they slap each other a lot. I think you were like, don't fucking put your hands on me, and I was like, fight me, bitch, and you were like, I'm not gonna punch you, just don't do that. You got a nice one, so I understand that. It's the moneymaker. Yeah, sure, man. Are you a cam girl? Is that what you were alluding to? Are you asking me to be your pimp? Because, I mean, I can get you a gig or two. Nip sell. Anyway, just getting all of my demons out there. Well, I would hope you wouldn't be angry. Jeez, are you a homophobe? Well, you don't like the thought of one man putting another man's. Well, I stopped. I didn't go any further. I just alluded to one man putting another man's penis in his mouth and him bopping on it, and you know. Pretty happy because at the car wash, some guy saw my camera in the passenger seat and asked if I was a YouTuber. I didn't know what to say, so I said yes.